If you are detailing a car, this is the first thing I would do before I start. I would inspect the car, go around and check for scratch, anything I see that's, like for instance, you see right here, you know what I'm saying? So anything out of the place, you see all these scratch right here, you gotta record everything, you see? Make sure that some customers be okay, but look, you see, all those are scratches. If you're just washing it, it's okay, but you want the customer to know and see all these, do the paint look real bad, so at least you can do before and after video. See, a lot of stuff here, a lot of scratches and grime and stuff on the car. Look at that. So customer can say, oh, you record everything. So you go around the car and you inspect and make sure that everything is being recorded. Okay. Then what you can do also is open the back, inspect. You see the back is not too bad at all. Take these out, don't them in the garbage, but just in case. Okay, look at that. See? So it's good to make sure. Look at that. See right here, it pull down. You gotta make sure you inspect before you clean. See? Look at that. See? This material is such a ugly, nasty material. I don't know why they put that here. That's the thing that no car detailer likes. And make sure all these stuff that you're taking out, there is no problem with the customer. Pick up everything and make sure everything is out of the way. So if something is important, sometimes you're gonna meet and stuff that is none of your business, but it's good to make them know about all these stuff that is there. So you inspect and you could show to the customer that any mistake you didn't do it, because you go through the car, you record the car for a reference. So it's always good to make sure that the car is inspected properly. Go all these places and you check everything. Anything you see valuable or anything you see that you think you should show to the customer, you call them and you text them and show them that what should I do with this, and so on and so forth. So it's good to